Hey guys, today I'm at my ceiling. Yeah, but I got a special thing. I have a fire alarm. If you were wondering what does it look in there, we had this fire alarm off because it keeps turning on and off. This is the first alert one, and has no battery in it. And there's the wires. Here's the wires to go to it. And yeah. So right now, this first alert of fire alarm, you're probably thinking, oh, you already have a fire alarm like this. Not really. I'd rather hook up to a system, and then I can have the pull station and the fire alarm. So the one would turns it on and off in a little system. And yeah. But if you were wondering what it looked like in there, pretty cool in there. And you can look, I don't know if you can even look in there in the wall, but yeah. Let me set this down. But try not to get on the camera. But do not paint. And yeah, if you're a fire alarm enthusiast, here's the model. It's a NO90. Well, I could just say 9 to 120B. And yeah, that's the model. And if you were wondering about that, but I have other ones in my mom's and dad's room and my sister, but yeah, they're all taken down. It's pretty mounted on there, like how much I'm wiggling it. But pretty still. Let's look. I'm sorry I don't have a light though, but yeah. So this is the battery right here, so you could put in the battery, like when the power's out, you still have the fire alarm. But when I go in my mom's and dad's room, we all have that. And mine's is a different kind of, that's the first alert one. And then this is a different one and stuff, because you can tell. So if I grab my fire alarm or smoke alarm, this is a first alert, just a different model. And it went off when I was in bed, and it went right there. So this is a P2. I always get confused. Okay, so it is a P121. Focus. And 10. I think we're just 0. Yeah. That's where this is the fire alarm goes to right there and stuff. So yeah. There. Bye.